Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This one is interesting. Today I will talk about, is dropshipping ethical or not? This will be just a quick video reviewing why dropshipping is or isn't ethical, right? So as far as my experience goes and as far as my opinion goes, I think dropshipping is perfectly ethical because it's just a form of a business model, right? For example, right, what you're doing is you're basically going on Alibaba, right, in China. You're sourcing your items and you're selling those items to someone on Shopify, for example, right? And basically that's a business in a nutshell, right? That's how businesses operate usually on 99% of the basis. For example, the store that you're purchasing apples in, right? For example, got that apples from other country, right? Or from other suppliers, right? So that's basically how business works. So as you can see right here, typically no, drop shipping is just as ethical as other way of doing business. However, there are some situations where drop shipping could fall into an ethical gray area. For instance, you'll need to decide if it would be fair to charge much more than the product cost, right? If it could help you make a larger profit, right? So sometimes, it's not ethical because a lot of people are greedy and want more profits. But again, at the end of the day, drop shipping is just supply and demand, it's just arbitrage, right? And you're just selling, buying for low, selling for high, just like what business works usually. So my opinion is that drop shipping is ethical completely, and I think anyone can start drop shipping and start making money, and it's just a form of a business. So yeah, hope you guys find this informational, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.